We're in the public square of Belgrade. We just arrived late. This is their statue. Let's find who this guy is. Around 6 o'clock in the evening. So we're this is their public square. We're in the public square of Belgrade. So our tour guide is there. We just arrived past almost 5:30. Sobrang lamig. Sobrang lamig. Wow.
All the way down to that minivan with
Hey, a birthday girl. Birthday girl.
Hello, netizens! Hello, vlog!
So that's more or less about it history and about architecture. So we have a couple of interesting buildings here. On the right-hand side is the National Theater, built in 1869 by a Serbian, let's say, Duke. His name is Duke Michael, and